Your car's engine is missing or misfiring. Cool, let's fix it with a dead simple checklist. Step 1. Confirm the symptom. Rough idle shaking under load. Flashing check engine light, no power uphill. Note when it happens. Cold. Start warm only at certain RPMs. Step 2. Scan for codes. Grab a cheap OBD2 scanner or hit a parts store. They'll scan for free. P0301. Misfire on cylinder 1 P0300. Random misfire, screenshot the codes and freeze frame data. Don't guess. Use the codes as a map. Step 3. Spark first. Pull a plug from the misfiring cylinder. Is it worn? Oily? Sooty? If plugs are old, replace the full set with the correct gap. Swap coil on plug units between cylinders. If the misfire follows the coil, that coil's bad. Same trick works for plug wires on older cars. Use dielectric grease on boots. Step 4. Fuel next. Listen for the injector clicking with a mechanic's stethoscope or long screwdriver. No click? Could be the injector or wiring. If the code follows when you swap injectors, you found it. If multiple cylinders act up, check fuel pressure at the rail. Weak pump clogged filter. Dying regulator. Add a tank of top-tier gas and a bottle of injector cleaner as a quick test. Step 5. Air and vacuum. Pop the air filter. If it's a dirt brick, replace it. Inspect intake hoses for cracks. A hissing sound or high rough idle screams vacuum leak. A smoke test is best. Even a careful carb cleaner spritz around suspect joints, engine cool, fire extinguisher handy, will change idle if there's a leak. Clean the MAF sensor with MAF cleaner only. Never touch the wire. Clean a gunky throttle body. Step 6. Sensors that steer fuel and spark. A flaky crank sensor can cause intermittent misses. A flaky cam sensor can cause intermittent misses. O2 sensors after the cat don't cause misfires. The front ones can if they lie. If a sensor code is present, confirm wiring and connectors before buying parts. Check engine grounds and battery voltage. Low voltage makes everything dumb. Step 7. EGR and PCV. A stuck open EGR dilutes combustion. Hello, stumble. A broken PCV or cracked hose is a stealth vacuum leak. If one cylinder is low on compression, think burned valve, worn rings, or head gasket. A clogged catalytic converter chokes power and causes misfire under load. Fix one thing, clear codes, drive a few cycles, rescan. Don't shotgun parts. Metal on metal noises, fuel leaks, raw gas smell, repeating misfire with good spark, fuel and air, low compression. You got this. Follow the checklist, let the data lead, and your missing engine will be back on beat.